Hi everyone, it's Nishi here. Hope you have a really good day. So in today's video, what I want to talk about is the difference between a cost and an investment. And why is that so important? Well, in a business, generally, you want to reduce or eliminate your costs so you can increase your profits. And you want to increase your investment because by increasing your investment means you're growing and scaling and achieving the results that you really want to. So by differentiating between the two, you'll be able to actually increase your profitability and achieve your goals. Before I get into this, I just wanted to remind you, if you find these videos useful, go to our YouTube channel because we've got content on there which isn't on our LinkedIn or Facebook accounts. All you have to do is go to YouTube and just put in accounting, or you can go to our website and there's a link to our YouTube channel at the bottom of our website in the footer. Okay, back to this video. So typically in a business, you have certain things that you just have to pay out for. You can't really help it. It's just something that's there and ultimately it's always going to be there unless you find a way to eliminate it or reduce that cost. And that's essentially what a cost is. Sometimes examples of this are if you just got to get your accounts and tax work done, that is actually a cost. There's different. It can also be an investment, and I'll explain that in a minute. But typically just to get your accounts and tax work, that is a cost. It's got to be done to the right standard, obviously. Also, you might have an office which you've got to rent, so your staff can work in the office. That's a cost. You might have business rates to pay, electricity, many other things like that, which in an ideal world, you're trying to reduce as much as possible to improve your profits. So those are generally costs because they're to do with the day-to-day running of your business and they're not directly linked to the growth of your business. So on the other side of that, you've got opportunities to invest in the growth and profitability of your business. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, like a accountancy fee, which is just there to get the accounts and tax work done, that is a cost, but it does still have to be done to the right standard. So it doesn't mean you necessarily go to the cheapest place. But what you can also do is you could hire an accountant to actually help you plan the growth of your business and your cash flows and the growth of those cash flows. So that would then be an investment. So but other things like that, if you hire a new office so you can put more staff in it, so in that office, so you can then continue growing your business, then that new office you hire would be an investment. So what you might be understanding here is actually sometimes investments become costs, because after a point, if you've reached a maturity with that project that investment related to, and you're not growing based on that initial initiative, then that investment then becomes a cost. So the thing about an investment is ultimately if you spend money on something and that spend will then get you more money back, that is the way to look at it. So costs, you spend it out and it's not really going to help you grow any more than you already have. An investment, you spend that money out and it's going to help you grow and scale. So it's really important to understand the difference between the two. Costs, you're definitely trying to reduce as much as possible or eliminate, and investments, you are trying to increase, because the more you invest, the more you grow. And that's a really important mindset to have. So I hope you found this video useful. Just remember to like, share, follow, subscribe, watch out for the rest of our content, and definitely check out our YouTube channel. So I'll see you at the next video.